Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a Dungeons & Dragons character. Dungeons & Dragon characters, you might be wondering, how does this pertain to English or the assignment? Well, first of all, this is going to be a great experience for you and a good thing to learn in case you work in childcare or ever will work in childcare, or if you have kids of your own that might eventually get into Dungeons & Dragons, or if you might find yourself in a circumstance where you end up playing it with friends, coworkers, etc. So the first thing you're going to need is to get a copy of the player's handbook where you'll find the different types of races and the different types of character classes. The type of race we're going to go for today is human, and the class we're going to go for is druid, because druid I'm most familiar with. And the player's handbook, you can find that online for free on the Dungeons & Dragons website owned by Wizards of the Coast. So when you're making your character, you're going to need to get 4 d6. A d6 is a standard 6-sided die, and you will roll all 4 of them at the same time. The 3 highest numbers that you roll, you will add those 3 highest numbers together. You will then take that number, let's say it's 18, and you'll put it into one of the 6 different stat blocks. And those stat blocks are dexterity, strength, constitution, charisma, wisdom, and intelligence. Now, let's say you rolled an 18. As a druid, depending on the way that you want to build your druid, the 2 most important stats for a druid are going to be wisdom and dexterity. So let's say you're going to be a spellcasting druid. So let's say you put the 18 into wisdom, okay, because that's going to be the best one for you. It's going to make your spells stronger, and it's going to give you more opportunities to be successful in your campaign. Then you're going to continue rolling for the remainder of the stats. The other 5 times, you're going to roll those 4 d6, and then you're going to take the 3 highest numbers, add them together, put them in whichever stat's better. Okay? Next, you're going to pick a background, and those are also listed in the back of the player's handbook, and those backgrounds will give you different types of history feats, as well as increases to your general knowledge in the D&D world that you're going to be playing. Okay? And with that, you now know the general rules for creating a D&D character. And your character can look any way you want, and if you're great with drawing, great with art, you can take that and draw out your own character. And as you can see, making a Dungeons & Dragons character is very easy, and anybody can do it.